when we talking shit. Hold on.
Nigga, you supposed to be talking to the girl right here. The girl right there.
Oh, you tripping? You yeah.
That nigga ugly as fuck in that car. When he open that door, I say, what the fuck, nigga? You trying to holler at me?
You already know. Hey, we on Southside right now, so you already know what it is. We showing love. We coming out, East Side, Clinton Park. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, I ain't even.
I ain't gonna lie. BlvdTv. Check them out. We got the helicopter. I don't even know. I ain't gonna lie to you, boss. They in the car though. They driving it. Sunday Funday. This our action out here. BlvdTv, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. That's that boy Bub right there. Y'all see him, he clean. Y'all see him, clean and everything. Look at him. That's how we ride out here. Check Bub out in the van, the Honda van. Yeah. Squatted to the ground and everything. And we got the boys over there coming through the field. Check them out right here. Check them out. And bro got the tailgate popped on him. Y'all see him? Y'all see the leg? We got the legs outside. Look at them boys right there. They got traffic blocked up. Hold on now. Hey man, say man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm giving y'all all the action that y'all need. Highway 6 holding, y'all see him? He got the blaze on the BMW. Y'all see him? Look at that boy Jay Fresh. Yeah, that boy Fresh. Y'all see him? I ain't gonna lie, I'm outside, bro. It's a block party without me and BlvdTv. You know, we put together a little block party, a little something. Just for the city on a Sunday Funday. We got the city outside. That's what we do. Hold on, I'm gonna give my boy BlvdTv for the interview real quick. I got y'all. That boy got the Lexus sticking. That boy got the Lexus on 24s. He poking. They say poking ain't joking. That boy hard. And he on fire. He live. And she clean. And the L dog on fire. Then you got the north side coming down. That's north side green line right there. That's the north side. The north side on the south side. Y'all see them boys? They clean. That's how you come through. That's how you come through. Y'all see the trunk? That's the north side green. And he on bad. Yeah, and he on bad. What y'all saying? I ain't gonna lie, I put together a hell of an event. And I appreciate everybody that came outside. I appreciate everybody. That's how you come down on a boulevard. Just like that. That's how you come down. Y'all see that boy? He green. On fire. We outside. That's how we ride in the city. Y'all don't like our wheels, but we don't give a damn. We gonna continue to ride foes and swing goals on you hoes. He on fire. He clean. Y'all see that boy? Nah, that ain't Nightmare. That's that boy. That's the old school red line. Y'all see him? Y'all see that boy coming down? Look at him, that beauty. On fire, on 24. Y'all see, look at him. Y'all see him? Y'all don't like it, but we love it. On the town car. Y'all sit up on the cars. Look at them. Y'all feel? Oh, that ain't it though. Y'all see that boy in the marrow. Drop. That's that Southside blue in the Magnum. Y'all see it? That's that north side. I told y'all before, that's that north side green. Y'all see them? That's how you come down on the boulevard. That's how you come down on the boulevard. That's that boy Papa. Y'all see him? GT, green tan. That's what that stand for.
What's up, mate? Shit, we on the south side. You know what I'm saying? I'm hollering at my people. These my people right here. You know what I'm talking about? Got that Lincoln over there. He gonna show a nigga what it is. Young nigga been in the game for a minute. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? We on the south side right now, man. You already know. Hey, we on the south side right now, so you already know what it is. We showing love. We coming out, east side, Clinton Park. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, I ain't even got the trunk up, but I'm gonna show y'all niggas the trunk a little bit. Showing love to the south side, you understand me? See that bitch on? Goddamn right. Hey, them details, man. Hey, who fucking with the boss Simpson?
Goddamn details, man.
Who fucking with the boss Simpson? I ain't gonna lie to you. The trunk been done about 2-3 years now. My boy Dante, Green Line Dante. You know what I'm saying? That boy still. That boy got me right.
Shit so, dude. OG, this hoe been around 3. You know what I'm saying?
Hey. Car been around three decades.
3 decades.
Real talk.
Hold on. Yo, what's the deal? It's BlvdTv. Hey, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. I appreciate everything, man. For real. We outside. Sunday Funday in the city. Hey, man, say, man, y'all don't know nothing about them wheels. That's why y'all don't really like them. But we love them. We love them. I'm telling you. That's how we ride. We on foes. Yeah. That's how we do it on the south side. That's how we do it on the south side. That's my boy Ike right there. Yeah, we on the south side with it. BlvdTv. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I ain't gonna lie. Me and my boy Carol's got this whole lit right now. I ain't gonna even lie to you. We in South Park. This the block though. Like, we all the way down. I ain't gonna lie to you. All the way down. Turn around to behind me. That's how we do it on the south side. That's how we do it in the city, really. I'm gonna give y'all a part 2 in a little while. We got another location we're going to. So I'm gonna give y'all a part 2. But I ain't gonna lie to you, I appreciate y'all though, for real. All my subscribers, all people that don't like it, people that do like it, people that love it. You know, I appreciate everybody, for real. Get y'all some more of this slab work. Hold on. That green team, that's another Northside court. Y'all see him? He on fire. That's how we come on the south side though. That's that red. Y'all see him? Look at the trunk. Y'all see him? Check the trunk out. Yep, we got a little money out here in the city too. Boys and vets and everything. See them boys in the Cutlass. That's a Buick. That's the G-Body gang right there. Check them out. Yeah, we outside. Y'all see the Bentley truck. That's how we do in the city. Hey man, say man. That boy got the bloody red inside. Look at that big boy Dodge. Check him out. Watch him. Look at that boy on 3. Y'all see him? Y'all see him on 3. Yeah. That's how we do in the city. Out on choppers. That's the H-Town Blade line. See, this is the dumb shit I don't approve of, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's the shit I don't approve of. That bitch clean. Y'all see him? That boy hard. He clean. Y'all see the rigger. Y'all see the rigger. That boy hard. And that bitch so clean. That hoe so wet. That's the original horn. That old school horn. I ain't gonna lie. I don't really care for Crown Vics. I ain't got nothing against them, but they just ain't my style of car. But I mean, he on wheels and he, and that boy on some 24s, some big blades. They got their little line, I don't knock them. That's how they ride. That's what they like. That boy, them boys clean. Look at them. Y'all see them? Y'all hear the trunk? Check them out. Check them out. Them boys clean. Them boys coming down. Y'all see them? Check that trunk out. Them boys coming down. That's how you come down. That's how you come down on the boulevard. BlvdTv. Hey man, say man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. That boy on fire. That's how we ride out here. I ain't gonna lie to you. This lack clean as hell. This hoe water. Check them out. That hoe water. Hold on, we talking shit. Hold on.
Nigga, you supposed to be talking to the girl right here. That girl right there.
Oh, you tripping? You
girl right there. Why you steady
playing? Why you steady playing in the car? You tripping? Bro, park the car, bro. Goddamn.
Fuck that shit.
That nigga ugly as fuck in that car. When he opened that door, I said, what the fuck, nigga? You trying to holler at me? He looking like that? Looking like that, nigga? You gotta get a close-up on that face. Put a picture of his ass right there.
I ain't gonna lie. BlvdTv. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This the turnout. This the turnout from the block party. You gotta turn that down, brother. No copyright. No copyright. No copyright. Y'all see this the outside. Look at them. Them boys all over there on the other side. Check them out. We got the helicopter. Yeah. Some of the aftermath, you know. They shutting us down, but shit don't stop. We got another little spot we going to. That's that boy J-Hawk. Y'all see him. I ain't gonna lie. That's fucked up. He snatched his whole wheel off his hoe. Snatched the whole wheel. That's fucked up.
That go back to the shit you said you don't like. Nigga driving crazy.
And there you go. This go back to me saying about the shit that I don't like. I hate them fucking cars that be doing that dumb stuff. Like, bro, if you ain't got no wheels, why you doing dumb shit, bro? Honestly. Like, for real. If you ain't got no wheels, that shit pointless. You out here riding and doing dumb shit, driving crazy, and then you fuck up a nigga car and you can't pay for it. That's the fucked up part about it, you know? That shit weak. So now I bet you now he got to spend all his money on his car because you got somebody that can't pay for it. I can't tell you what happened. I could just, you know, but y'all like, comment, and subscribe, BlvdTv.